Day 6 of the 30-day Millionaire Habits Challenge. And I finally found something that honestly surprised me. For the last 5 days, I've been tracking my money, reading every day, and trying to build millionaire habits. The one question kept bothering me: how can you invest when you barely had any money? So, I decided to test it. Let's go back for a second. On day 1, I started with tracking my spending. Day 2 taught me that saving isn't enough. Day 3 and 4 made me realize millionaires invest, not blindly, but with systems. Then came day 5, when I talked about inflation. Every year, your money quietly loses value, so the only way to protect it is to make it grow. But here's the challenge: not everyone has $10,000 or $100 lying around to invest. So what do you do when your budget is tight, but your mindset is ready? I started researching, and that's when I found something interesting. You don't need a big amount to start investing. Many platforms now allow you to start with as little as $100 or $1. You can use fractional investing, meaning you can buy a part of a stock or ETF. And if you're really new, you can start with recurring deposits, high-yield savings, or SIPs, so you invest automatically every month. The real key: consistency beats amount. Even 100 invested regularly grows more than 0 saved. What I learned today: simple. Millionaire habits don't start with big money. They start with small action. You don't wait to have enough. You start with what you have and grow from there. So that's day 6. My first real step toward investing. Tomorrow, I'll show you how I'm building my first mini portfolio and how I decide where to put that money. If you're joining this challenge, comment start below. Day 6 complete. Subscribe now. Day 7 drops tomorrow.